Motorcycle enthusiasts are always looking for ways to enhance their riding experience, and the Carpuride W702B motorcycle stereo system is an excellent choice that stands out in this regard. This ultimate wireless portable stereo system combines advanced technology with user-friendly features specifically designed for riders. The Carpuride W702B supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing riders to connect their smartphones seamlessly. This integration provides access to essential apps such as music, navigation, and podcasts, ensuring that riders stay connected and entertained on the road. Equipped with a 7-inch HD IPS capacitive touchscreen, the W702B offers clear visibility even in bright sunlight. The responsive and intuitive display can be easily navigated while wearing gloves, making it user-friendly for motorcyclists who need to make quick adjustments on the go. The integrated GPS feature provides accurate navigation, helping riders explore new routes with confidence. This functionality ensures that you can embark on adventures without the worry of getting lost. With an IP67 rating, the Carpuride W702B is both waterproof and dustproof, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Whether riding in rain, dust, or under the sun, this stereo system maintains consistent performance, making it a reliable companion for all motorcycle journeys. The system features powerful dual speakers that deliver crystal clear sound. Riders can enjoy their favorite FM radio stations or connect external audio sources via TF card input or MP3 players, providing versatile listening options. Whether you are a seasoned rider or new to the motorcycle scene, the Carpuride W702B is a must-have accessory that enhances both audio and navigation capabilities. Experience the freedom of the open road with this ultimate portable stereo system, designed to keep you connected and entertained on every ride. The EyeLights iRide HUD is an innovative device designed for motorcycle helmets, enhancing the riding experience by providing essential information directly in the rider's line of sight. This cutting-edge technology, inspired by fighter jet cockpits, projects vital information such as speed, RPM, navigation maps, phone notifications, and music controls onto a small prism mounted inside the helmet, right next to the rider's right eye. This setup creates a digital dashboard, allowing quick glances without taking focus off the road, thereby improving safety compared to traditional GPS devices or phone mounts. The iRide HUD is compatible with both iPhone and Android smartphones, controlled via a dedicated app. It supports voice commands and includes in-helmet speakers and a microphone for hands-free operation, adding to the convenience. Installation involves attaching various components to the helmet, including a disc that houses the system's electronics. While it is recommended for full-face helmets, it can also fit DOT-approved open-face helmets. By presenting information on a transparent background, the iRide HUD ensures that critical data is accessible while maintaining the rider's awareness of their surroundings. This device is a game changer, offering a seamless blend of technology and safety for motorcycle enthusiasts. Cosmo Connected's Cosmo Moto is an innovative safety accessory designed for motorcycles and scooters, functioning as a detachable brake light that connects to a mobile application, enhancing rider visibility and safety, especially in challenging conditions like fog or heavy rain. The versatile gadget serves as a position light, a warning light with flashing mode, and a brake light that activates during deceleration thanks to its integrated 3-axis accelerometer. Additionally, it features sensors that detect falls or accidents, and in such events, it can alert up to 3 designated contacts within 3 minutes via the free Cosmo Moto app. For added security, the app offers a premium service that not only notifies roadside assistance, but also provides your geolocation for quick intervention, ensuring a rescue team can be dispatched swiftly. The device uses Bluetooth 4.0 low energy for connectivity, and its battery life lasts approximately 8 hours, with a charging time of around 2 hours and 40 minutes via a micro USB cable. Designed for optimal visibility in both day and night conditions, the Cosmo Moto is a significant advancement in motorcycle safety technology, combining functionality with a user-friendly design to ensure riders are always visible and connected, providing peace of mind on every ride. The Thinkware Sports M1 dash cam is designed for motorsport enthusiasts seeking reliable and high-quality video documentation of their adventures. It captures full HD 1080p video from both front and rear cameras at 30 frames per second, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your ride. Equipped with a 2.13-megapixel Sony Starvis sensor and built-in electronic image stabilization, the M1 delivers smooth, stable footage even on rough terrains. The dash cam features a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, minimizing blind spots, and Super Night Vision 2.0 technology, which ensures excellent video quality in low-light conditions. With an IP66 rating, the M1 is resistant to dust and powerful water jets, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Additional features include automatic start/stop recording, the ability to record speed and location data alongside video footage, and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video transfer to your smartphone via a dedicated app. These features make the Thinkware M1 dash cam a top choice for capturing high-quality videos while ensuring safety and security on the road. Blind spot detection systems for motorcycles play a crucial role in enhancing rider safety by addressing the challenges of limited visibility. Motorcycles are often overlooked by other vehicles, especially in blind spots, making them vulnerable to potential collisions. These systems use advanced radar technology operating at 79 GHz to detect objects and hazards in the motorcycle's blind spots. By emitting radio waves that bounce off nearby objects, the system's sensors analyze the returning signals. If an object is detected, the rider is alerted through visual and auditory signals, providing early warnings about approaching vehicles and giving the rider time to react. These systems are designed to cover a wide detection area, capable of identifying multiple targets simultaneously up to 50 meters away. They are effective in various weather conditions, including fog, heavy rain, and windstorms, ensuring accurate detection regardless of environmental challenges. While these systems significantly enhance safety by reducing the risk of collisions during lane changes or overtaking maneuvers, they are intended to complement, not replace, the rider's basic skills and vigilance. In addition to blind spot detection, advancements in AI have introduced adaptive cruise control to motorcycles. This technology, once exclusive to luxury cars, enables motorcycles to autonomously maintain a safe distance from vehicles ahead using radar or cameras. AI further enhances this feature by learning the rider's unique style and adapting its behavior to match their preferences, whether they prefer a closer following distance for a sportier ride or a more relaxed gap for added safety. The Dainese Smart Jacket is an advanced airbag vest designed for motorcycle riders that provides high levels of protection without the need for rigid armor or connection to the bike. The Smart Jacket features a patented airbag known as the Shield, made from microfilaments that ensure high shock absorption across a wide surface area, providing protection equivalent to 7 back protectors. It is certified for use without hardshell protection on the torso. Equipped with multiple gyroscopes and accelerometers, the jacket analyzes data 1,000 times per second. This complex algorithm allows the airbag to deploy in just 30 milliseconds during a collision, faster than the blink of an eye, ensuring maximum safety. The Smart Jacket can be worn over or under any jacket or outfit, making it suitable for various riding situations. It is lightweight, well-ventilated, and easily foldable for convenient storage. It offers a robust battery life of 26 hours on a full charge and is activated by a magnetic chest button. The jacket automatically switches to an armed status when it detects vibrations from a running engine and reverts to standby mode when the motorcycle is off. The jacket is designed to be waterproof, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. It fits comfortably under any riding gear, making it a practical choice for riders who prioritize safety without sacrificing comfort. The Sena Spider RT1 is a premium motorcycle communication system perfect for riders who want to stay connected while enjoying their favorite music or getting GPS directions. Designed with advanced mesh technology, it ensures seamless rider-to-rider communication, allowing up to 24 riders to connect in a private group with a range of up to 5 miles. The Spider RT1 supports 2 modes: create a private group with up to 24 riders or communicate with virtually any number of participants within the mesh network, with 9 channels available for switching sharing between different groups. The system is easy to pair with smartphones for streaming music, navigating with GPS, or making phone calls. With audio multitasking, users can enjoy simultaneous audio functions, enhancing the riding experience. The Sena Spider RT1 is designed for enhanced audio clarity, providing a superior HD listening experience with rich bass and reduced background noise during conversations. This ensures clear communication, making long rides more enjoyable as you stay connected with your friends. The Spider RT1 offers up to 12 hours of talk time and can be fully charged in approximately 2 hours. It features customizable settings, channel management, and audio profile enhancement through the companion app. With the Sena Spider RT1, your rides will not only be more connected but also more fun, making it a must-have gadget for any rider. The ABU's Detecto X Plus 808 alarm disc lock is designed to provide robust security for motorcycles, combining a strong physical lock with an advanced alarm system. Made from high-quality hardened steel, the lock features a 16mm steel bolt, ensuring durability and resistance to tampering. The lock is equipped with a loud alarm that can reach at least 100 dB. It utilizes a 3D motion detection system that triggers the alarm upon any movement or attempted tampering, providing an effective deterrent against theft. One of the standout features is its smart alarm activation. The lock will not sound any alarms until it is properly attached to the brake disc, preventing false alarms from minor movements when not secured. It comes with 2 keys and a key code card for replacements. The lock also has a multicolor LED indicator that provides information about the battery status and alarm activation. Using the ABU's Detecto X Plus 808 alarm disc lock enhances motorcycle security significantly. Its combination of a strong physical lock and a smart alarm system allows riders to park their bikes with confidence, knowing they are protected against theft. This lock is particularly suitable for high theft risk areas, making it a valuable investment for motorcycle owners.